First thing you want to do is remove our oil fill cap. This is going to help the crankcase breathe properly when we go to drain the engine oil. Next up, using an 18mm socket, we're going to remove the drain bolt. We want to make sure we drain the engine oil completely. Don't want any of them leftover contaminants still in the system. Rethread the drain bolt back in place, but this time we're going to make sure we torque it to 15 foot-pounds. Definitely don't want to over tighten it here. The last thing you want is a stripped drain bolt. Now we'll remove the oil filter. It's kind of hard to get to. You may have a little better luck by removing the lower fairing, but I've got pretty thin arms, so I was able to reach it. Now we'll take a thin coat of oil and coat the O-ring. That's going to make removing it next time a ton easier. Now we'll go ahead and rethread the oil filter back in place and torque it to 13 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the engine. This particular unit holds 3.9 quarts of Kawasaki 10W40 motorcycle oil. Time to reinstall the oil fill cap. And now we're going to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few moments, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. That'll get the oil circulating through the system. And then we're going to shut it off and let it set for a few more minutes. That's going to help us achieve an accurate oil level reading. And our oil level is perfect. We want it in the middle to upper portion of the sight glass, just like you see here. Looks great. It's time to hit the road.